Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to install my Kodi 18 build. So first thing I'm going to tell you is that there's nothing installed in this box. There's no Kodi 18. If you have Kodi 17.6 or any other version of Kodi, official Kodi APK installed, you need to delete it first before installing the 18.1. So here we go. First you're going to go to your web browser and go to my website. quantum6.net. I'm going to scroll down, look for media centers, click on it. I'm going to scroll down until you see Kodi 18.1. I have other versions also. Then from here, we're going to scroll down and we're going to download. The first is the Kodi APK file, the 18.1. Just hit on download, click on the button. If you have a drop down menu, you'll see the progress. So now we're going to go to my backup file from my Dropbox. You're going to see this page. You're going to go to or continue to website on the bottom. Then once this pops up, you should see three little dots on the top right corner. Click on the three dots and you'll see direct download. It might look different if you're using a different web browser, but usually that's the way it's going to look. So you're just going to look for direct download. So you'll see the progress. If you don't have a menu, a drop-down menu, a progress bar anywhere, you just have to make sure that the file is completely downloaded before attempting to install it. So this is going pretty quick. So while that's being downloaded, it's going to be finished pretty soon. We're going to exit out of my Dropbox page and we're going to scroll down, and now you're going to install the Quantum Backup Restore. This is the Kodi 18 version. Just click on that and it's downloaded. I'm pretty sure it's already downloaded. Yeah, it's a very small file. Then last but not least, the file manager. Now you can use any file manager that you feel comfortable with. This one, I'm going to do the tutorial on this file manager. You feel free to download this one or use whichever one you like. So we'll just click on this. We're going to be using this file manager and the default one also, because the default one doesn't extract the folder properly. So that's why I'm using the file manager. The other one the default one kind of fails. It goes too slow and it stops. So it's not really good to extract. Okay, now we've downloaded the file, so now you're going to go into your apps, wherever your apps are located, right here. And then you're going to go to, there's two ways of doing it. You can either go into App Installer or you can use the file browser. Since I'm going to use the file browser anyways, I'm just going to click on the file browser, go to local disk, go to your download folder, and that's where you're going to find all the stuff that you downloaded. So you're going to install the file manager and the Kodi 18.1. So we'll just download the file manager, just click on it, the bottom right corner, click install. Click done. Then Kodi 18.1 install. Click done. Alright, now that these two are installed, you don't need these anymore, and you feel free to delete them now, or you can wait till the end, and I'll just wait till the end to delete these. So now it's going to be this zip file. So you're going to go back out of your default file browser, and now you're going to go into the file manager that I just downloaded. Go scroll to the right, then click done. allow. Now you're going to see your downloads right here. Those are going to be the 4 downloads. So you click on downloads. Then you're going to look for your zip file, which is the 2019 March 13 1005. That's what it basically reads. Okay, so just click on it. And now you're going to go to extract. Don't bother renaming it. Click OK. Depending on your device, it could be fast, it could be slower. So this one's a pretty fast box, so it should take about less than a minute for it to extract. This is going to be the only semi-difficult part of installing my backup, but once you get it, everything's really easy. Alright, and that's it. Now you're going to exit the file manager. Now you're going to go into the default file browser that's on your box, the default one. Okay, local disk, download. Now you're going to see the zip in the folder right here. So you're going to click on the folder once until you're inside, and then once you're inside, you're going to check mark this box up here. You're going to check mark this right here. You're going to go to the edit button, and you're going to go to, you can either cut or copy it. I'm going to go to cut. If you put cut, be sure not to go anywhere else but what I'm about to press. Click on cut, go up here, this to go back, press it once, then go here, press the edit button, and click on paste. This process might take about 2 minutes, maybe 3, depending on your device and how fast it is. Alright, so now it's already transferred to here. So basically overrid this folder. So when you uncheck that, click on it, you'll see the 3 items inside that you need. Okay, so we're going to click back, and then we're going to click on, we're going to delete this, because if you delete this, you'll get confused because it'll read both files. So you're going to want to delete this zip file. So click on the check mark box, click on the zip file, go to the edit button, and delete it. Okay, we'll delete these afterwards. So now we're ready to go install the file in Kodi. So go all the way back, go to your Kodi, and let's get started. So it's going to start installing some files in here, some programs, and updating. So first thing you need to do is you're going to go down to add-ons, click on add-ons, then you're going to go up to add-ons, the little box up here, click on it. Now you're going to go down to install from zip, then you're going to go to settings, you're going to turn on unknown sources. So you're going to turn on, here we go, settings, go to unknown sources on add-ons and click unknown sources on, click yes. Now you're going to go back one or return. You're going to go to install from zip again. Now you go to external storage, then go to your download folder and click on it. Now you're going to go and highlight Quantum Backup Restore, click on it, and let that install. Just stalling a little bit. Sometimes it does stall a bit. So just give it some time. And there it is. Now it's installed. Now you're going to go back again until you see your add-ons again. You're going to go down to Program Add-ons. Excuse me. Now you're going to click on Backup Restore. Now you're going to open Settings. Click on it. Now you're going to go to the left. You're going to go down to File Selection, and you're going to turn on Add-on Data and Profiles. Make sure these are turned on. Go back to the left. Go to Remote Directory. Now go to Browse Remote Path. Click on it, and you're going to go to External Storage, Download. Then once you click on download, you're going to go to the right, go to OK, and go to the right again, and click on OK again. Now you're going to click on the Backup Restore again, right here. Now you're going to go to Restore. Now you're going to see your file right there. It's going to be highlighted. Click on it again. And within a couple of seconds, it'll start installing the update. Again, depending on your box, if it's a higher spec device, it will go faster. If it's a lower spec device, it's going to go slower. So if you have a 1 gig, it's going to go much slower. If you have a 4 gig, it's going to go much faster. Alright, now it's installed. Now the next thing you're going to do is you're going to press the home button on your remote or your keyboard or whatever you're using to navigate around your box. So just press the home button. Don't do anything else. Do not exit Kodi the normal way. Just press the home button. Okay, now you're going to look for your apps. That's going to be in your settings. So look for the settings on your box. This is going to be completely different from yours. I'm pretty sure of it. So click on settings, and I have another extra step I got to go to, settings. And you look for your settings where it has all your, options to set things on your box. So you're going to highlight apps and go into your apps folder, and then you're going to look for Kodi. Okay, did I pass it? Okay, it's on the bottom. I just installed it, so it should be on the bottom. And there it is. Okay, you're going to find your Kodi and then click on it. And you should see a force stop on your once you're in here. If you do not see a force stop, you need to go to the back of your box and unplug the power cord from your box, and then plug it back in. That's if you do not see a force stop or a force close option in your Kodi application. So here, there's a force stop. I'm just going to click on it, click OK, and I'm done already. So once you unplug your box and plug it in, once it boots up, you're going to go right back into Kodi. So that's going to be basically your force closing it when you unplug your box. Right, so we're going to go back into Kodi. And there you go. Everything's all installed. All the settings and everything's going to be installed. Now, the installation is pretty much done. If you want to know a few more extra things you can do with this build, then keep watching. If not, the video is done for you. So these are just some extra things I'm going to show you. So you're going to see weather. Weather is going to be pretty easy. You do not have to set the weather if you don't want to, but this is an option that you can use if you want to put it in here. So what you're going to do is you're going to highlight weather. I'm just going to let it update a little bit right there until it's finished. I'm going to highlight weather. I'm going to click on it. Then I'm going to go where the weather is. You see where the weather's at right there. I'm going to go to the right, and I'm going to click service for weather information. So I'm going to click on it because it says none. Then I'm going to go here. It's going to have nothing on there. So I'm going to go to the right to get more. And then the one that I know works very well is going to be on the very bottom. It's Yahoo Weather. Click on Yahoo Weather. It'll then install. Okay, now it's already finished. Now go down to settings, right here to settings, click on the settings, and you're gonna go to your location and just click on whatever city you're in, click on it, and we'll just put New York. And there's gonna be different New Yorks on here, so you're just gonna pick on whichever one you on here. So of course I'm gonna pick the US New York, and then you can put other cities on here and just click on OK. Then you just back out of it again, and you'll see your weather pop up. 7-day forecast. Alright, so next thing I'm going to show you is the pictures. So if you want to change your background, if you don't like this background, I have different pictures on here. It's basically the default fire, lemon, grass, azure, and lavender. Okay, so you can change it to any of those. So what you're going to do is I'm going to show you how to do that. Go all the way to the end till you see settings, and then you're going to go to interface. You're going to go to skin, and you're going to go to the right until you see theme. Click on theme, and you're going to pick whatever one you've seen on there that you like. It can be grass, and it'll turn to that one. Lavender, and you see in the background. Lemon, and so on. So we'll just pick fire, and we'll leave it on fire. And if you want to change the color of the fonts on there, or the color that's around, you can click on it also. You can click on the fire, it'll be red, this will be green, that'll be I think a purplish maybe, I'm not sure, or this is a purplish, and that's going to be like a yellow. So you can change that also to suit whatever background you put on there. Okay, and that's the way it's going to be. So you can change it around. All right, the last thing I'm going to show you is going to be the XML file. If there's no XML file on here, I'm going to show you how to do that. So you go to your programs, and you go down to easy maintenance right here. Click on easy maintenance. Now you go to advanced settings. It's going to give you when you go in there, the optimal. You can use the optimal. So if you want to use whatever they want to give you, you can do that. If you're having any problems with the optimal settings, if anything goes wrong, look on the bottom right here and you're going to see what you can put for your 1 gig, 2 gig, 3 gig, and 4 gig device. And then you're going to go to, instead of going to optimal, you're going to go to input value and you're going to type in whatever number it is on down here. So that's going to be what it says on there. So if you see the number down here, if you have a 1, 2, 3, 4, just input it here and then press done, and it'll set it to that number. Okay. You don't have to have it on the optimal, but like I said, if you're having problems, then go by the chart I have on the bottom. Okay, and that's about it. To save your settings, once you change your background and change your XML file, you're gonna go down to the very bottom. You're gonna click on this power icon right here, and then you're gonna exit properly, so that way everything saves. Now this is the last step, deleting the files that you just downloaded, so that way you don't get confused. Okay, so we're gonna go back to where my file browser is, the default one. Click on the default file browser, go to the local disk, go to your download folder, and now you're pretty much free to delete all of these. You don't want to get confused with the files you just installed. So just highlight it, check mark, boom, 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 edit button. Now click delete, and they're gone. It's going to take a little while because this folder has a lot of files in it, so it might take a few seconds. Some devices might take about 15-20 seconds sometimes. It's deleting a whole lot of files because it's in folder form. And that's it. And you're all set to enjoy my backup file of Kodi 18. Enjoy. Thank you for watching and have a great day.